Gaeng Northeastern Thai curry. Ingredients: 4 long, red chilies, 4 stalks lemongrass, 5 cloves garlic peeled, 5 small shallots, peeled, 1 kaffir lime leaf smashed in the paste, and another 4 to 5 in the pot, 10 apple eggplants, makrua plop. If you can't find these, substitute with long purple eggplants cut into 1-inch chunks. 1 very big handful lemon basil, meng. 1 large bunch of dill, cut into 1-inch strips, stems included. 250 to 300 grams of meat, cut into bite-sized pieces. 4 tablespoons fish sauce, or 3 tablespoons plop. Directions: remove outer sheath from lemongrass and slice into very thin discs. Smash this in mortar and pestle into a paste, then add 1 thinly sliced lime leaf and chilies and continue to smash, and finish paste with shallots and garlic. This can also be done in food processor all at once. Add fish sauce to spice paste and stir. Then, work this paste into the cubed meat and let sit for 5 minutes or up to an hour. Fry the meat and spice mix in a pot with 2 tablespoons of preheated vegetable oil or animal fat until the meat is cooked through and the paste is very fragrant, about 5 minutes. Then, cover the meat with 2.5 cups stock or water and simmer for 5 minutes, add more liquid to taste. Then add herbs and continue to cook for 3 minutes. The gaeng should be thick and soupy. It should also taste pungent, spicy, and herbal. Adjust the saltiness with fish sauce, and serve with rice.